and welcome to IGame Plus. We're doing the Impossible quiz. So let's get started. We have 3 lives, and I'm guessing those are skip arrows or something. Anyway, so how many holes in a polo? Well, polo's a mint. It's got 1 hole in. But 1, 2, 3. Well, those are holes on there, yeah. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that a minute. Yes, got it right. Anyway, question 2. Can a matchbox? Yes, no. Yes, one beat Mike Tyson. No, but a tin can. I'm gonna say no, actually. No, what? Anyway, that has no in it, so that's the closest. Wow. So you what? Okay, I'm not gonna pronounce that one, at least. Well, actually I am, but least reason. Anyway, wait. I recognise that word there. Oh, backwards. Wait, if that's backwards. Backwards. Answer this question backwards. Okay. What? I don't understand Terse elbow. We're back now. It doesn't matter. Okay, carry on. Click the answer. They're all out of order. I can't disturb them when they're out of order. What? Oh. Am I sure? Yeah, let's go. Oh, yes. Don't touch the... How am I meant to do that? Anyway, if I touch the blue... That's not blues. Wait. I'm doing it. Is that the closest you did? I don't even know. Onion squared. Oh, shallot is a baby onion. 28. Pie. Carrot. Well, I'm gonna say shallots because they're the closest to onion. Yes, I'm good at this. The answer is really big. Answer really big, infinite, or ninja mask, or thief mask, whatever the hell that is. An elephant. I like elephants, so let's go with elephants. Oh yes. Oh, search. Oh, you made it there for not subscribing. So if you're doing